What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today is day 5 of 30 days of RV tours. Today we're taking a look at a Class C RV that is great for families. This is the East to West Entrada 1300FB. Let's take a look. Alright, so this is the East to West Entrada 3100FB. Let's take a quick look at the specs. So you have a wheelbase of 220 inches, a gross vehicle weight of 14,500 pounds, an exterior length of 32 feet 6 inches, an exterior width of 101 inches, and an exterior height of 11 feet 4 inches. So this RV sits on a Ford F450. You have an 18-foot awning on the outside, as well as exterior storage bays. But let's step inside of this RV and see what it's all about. So when you first come in, you have a jackknife sofa that is equipped with seat belts. Over to the front, you have a bunk above the cab with a window on one side and a TV on the other. And then you have a ladder. And then in the cab of the F450, you have nice cloth seats and it's pretty spacious. Over to the dinette, you have pull-out drawers and that turns into a bed. Now into the kitchen, you have a huge farmhouse sink with cabinet space below, a flip-out counter on the side. You also have a microwave with a cooktop above. Alright, let's head over to the bunk beds and check them out. So these bunk beds are pretty good size. You have 2 drawers below them, and these drawers are soft close. And then, another great thing about these bunk beds is each one has its own window. Another good feature is this privacy curtain that slides over. So really nice there. Let's head to the bathroom, and there is a step up going into the bathroom, but let's check it out. So you have a porcelain toilet and then a huge shower with a glass door, and then you have a sink with a large cabinet below. Alright, into the bedroom. In this bedroom you have a queen-size bed with lots of cabinet space in front of the bed, as well as a window in the back, but there's more cabinet space up above the bed, and these cabinets are pretty good size. That's going to do it for the inside. Let's take a look at the outside now. So you got a huge slide out along one side of the RV, a nice huge awning topper on the roof, and then on the very back of this RV, you have the ladder. That's going to do it for the tour of this East to West Entrada 3100FB. Here's the spec sheet if you want to take a look at it, but that's everything. Thank you so much for touring this RV with me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.